Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infra. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, the domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. Cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hoofed, herbivores. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. Parrots, also known as pseudocines, are birds of the roughly 398 species. The llama is a domesticated South American camelid. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. Elephantidae is a family of large, herbivorous proboscidean mammals. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. The American bison is a species of bison native to North America. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal belonging to the genus Giraffa. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMIOZ/ are a type of The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, common hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses and related animals, including the extant horses. Squirrels are members of the family Sauridae, a family that includes small or medium-sized rodents. The meerkat or suricate is a small mongoose found in southern Africa. Ostriches are large flightless birds of the genus Struthio and the order Struthionoformes. The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae. The Accipitridae is one of the three families within the order Accipitriformes. Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals belonging to several genera. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Lariidae in the suborder Lari. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back. The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic family Equidae and is one of 2 extant subspecies of Equus ferus. Snakes are elongated, limbless, carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentis. Pinnipeds, commonly known as seals, are a widely distributed and diverse clade of carnivorous, fin-footed, semi-aquatic. Gorillas are herbivorous, predominantly ground-dwelling great apes that inhabit the tropical forests of equatorial Africa.